about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. All right, let me show y'all where I'm at on the scale, fam. Today is Saturday. I started Monday on my cardio, tracking my macros. Let's see what I'm weighing. I started at 200 pounds, all right? Bam, I'm gonna stay still. Keep in mind, I got the camera in my hand. You know what? Let's go ahead and do it without the camera, because the camera does make a difference, okay? Let me show you. Check it out. Bam! What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. So fam, it's been a while since I've tapped in with you guys. It's Sunday cheat day. Let's go ahead and hang out a little bit before I have my, what we having, pizza today? Yes. Going to a pizza spot before we do. You want pizza too, Brookie? Yeah. About to get some pizza. Hi. About to get some pizza before we do. We're gonna work out. Before we work out, gonna get a smoothie. Let's get it. You want a smoothie too, Brookie? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. So I'm gonna get me a smoothie before the gym. Brooke's gonna join me, and then we're gonna have that pizza. Let's get it. Hey, Brooke. Come on, push your button. Go ahead and push your button. Show me your shirt real quick. Yeah, Pump Chaser. Start them young, guys. So as you guys see, they got snacks at Smoothie King now. Let's get it. Here you go, baby. Bam. It's good. Be even better with you, boy. But check it out, fam. They got chicken right here. Over 20 grams of protein. I said, why the hell not? Let me get a little protein, man. Not bad, huh? Yeah, trying the chicken out, fam. I already ate mine. Gym time! Alright. Let's get it.
Put it up there. Spill it. Make a mess.
Put your top on your drink, Brookie.
And put it, sit right here.
You guys already know what time it is. Stairs or for squares. Let's get it. The impression. Easy, bunny. Look at that. Easy, bunny. Squeeze. 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 Yes. I love, especially when it's time to cut, incorporating some kind of parallel grip pressing. Really hit that front delt. Now you have a lot of people say, your front delts are hit enough when you, shut the fuck up. This is my channel. Shut the fuck up. Okay? Parallel presses is gonna help bring out them deep lines. All right, Denise, we almost done. While a little workout, go ahead and get these rear delts in. Show them a set real quick. With this, fam, believe it or not, although we're focused on the rear delts, although I'm focused on leading with my elbows, mentally I'm engaging the spine. You must keep that spine controlled, okay? So here, see my spine? I don't want it moving. I want it nice and stiff. If the spine is not nice and stiff, it's gonna cause a lot of weak links. Notice the spine has several discs. You want that spine nice and stiff. That way the tension can go where it's needed. If you're flying, but your spine is moving, it's gonna take away tension from the rear delts. Rear delts is one of the hardest, believe it or not, it's really one of the hardest muscles to really target, okay? So you really gotta focus and use good form. And then, bam, 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 bam. And notice, I didn't look in the mirror. Show the mirror. I didn't look in the mirror myself because the spine the neck is part of the spine too. So if I'm extending at the neck, trying to do my flies to see myself in the mirror, that's gonna affect my shoulder blades. Peep the game. Stay focused. Really feel your muscles. Okay? All right, guys, we're gonna try this place out. Denise told me she liked it. I never been here before. It's called DeLuca. This is like nationwide. They have it, just all Texas.
I don't know, but I just noticed they have a handful in Texas.
It's like a pizza buffet, guys. Let's check it out. Okay. They got wine over there. All right, here we are. Starting off with some meatballs. These are meatballs, right? With Wagyu? Wagyu meatballs, guys, starting us off. A little salad.
Exactly, so you turn it off so it don't doesn't.
Yeah, it's already starting us off.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do you want?
Go and get that pizza, girl. So far, so good. What's that right there? What's that?
This is Mexican elote.
Let me try it. Mexican what?
Elote?
Elote?
Yes.
Oh, is it spicy?
No.
Okay, cool. Let me give that a try. Oh, yes.
You want to try one as well? Got it. Would you like one too?
Yes, please. Thank
Go ahead, then.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Mexican pizza. Got corn on it. Let's see.
Yes, please.
I give it a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Pepperoni.
Can't go wrong with that.
I like that. Okay. Denise.
Okay.
Nice little spot. What do you think, Boogie?
I'll get this and 5.
5.
Okay, good job. I got you.
There you are.
Yes, please.
Daddy, the
Yeah.
salami is real spicy.
Oh, yeah? Let me try one, too.
I got you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bam, bam. This right here, that dessert pizza right here. The Nutella one's pretty good. What's this right here, banana?
Banana, cinnamon, and cheese.
Ooh, banana, cinnamon, and cheese. What kind of cheese?
I don't know.
Oh, is it good?
It's different.
Save me the last bite.
I will.
Pretty good. It's all right.
Not bad.
Just thinking that you were about to lose.
Sing it, baby. That was a nice little dinner, guys. Headed on home. Cold girl.
Come on, no.
Let's get this heat going. We need to buy some more logs soon,
Yeah,
huh?
we do. We be running. We
We using up all the logs.
all the logs.
All right, fam. So check this out. What you got to think about my painting? Just got this painting. Very talented artist, guys. So check it out. So check it out, fam. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know this, but we're having a Valentine's Day sale on my coaching site. If you're interested in online coaching, you know spring is close. You know summer's close. If you're interested in online coaching, one of my programs, I'm on a bro split right now, fam. Just a simple bro split. You want a program, you want to be one of my online clients, use Love20. Bam! All right? Also, I know y'all see the gear. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and be sure to follow the Pump Chasers page on Instagram. We're going to be doing some giveaways real soon just to kind of show love to my longtime supporters.
Oh shit, it's cold.
Okay, get cold shit.
Cold as hell.
Alright, fam, so I'm prepping some chicken, okay? Prepping some chicken, and I just ordered a little Burger King. I got 2 Whoppers, got some fries in here, a couple of Whoppers, alright? So I'm gonna knock out this chicken real quick and put it in bags. Let me show you something. See, I have it frozen. So let's say I'm gonna go to the gym. Let's say for an example, I'm going to the gym. I put it in a cold water, right? By the time I get home from the gym, the chicken thawed out. I put it in the air fryer. Ding! So anyway, fam, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for hanging out. Don't forget, I got coaching, 20% off at beastmode316.com. Look, as you guys saw earlier, I weighed myself. I started at 200 pounds. I'm now a little under 197. You're gonna be using your food scale, tracking your macros, weighing yourself daily, and checking in with me. If you're interested, beastmode316.com, all right? And also, for an example, right? Just giving you a quick example. I'm gonna keep my diet the same exact way it was last week. I'm not gonna change things. So let's say, for an example, you bought one of my meal plans, right? Let's say you're doing the 200 pounder and up meal plan. It's very simple, by the way. Let's say you didn't lose much weight on week 1. You didn't lose much weight on week 2, but now you're losing weight on week 3. Don't go to week 4. Just stay on week 3 until week 3 stops working. You know, if you're not losing much or nothing at all, now let's go to week 4. Maybe even add a little more cardio, depending on how much. That's why, guys, gotta be patient. That's my daughter in the background. Let's get out of here.
She's playing a game.
Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. I'm back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.